Good morning to all. My name is Madhusudan. I am from Chennai Ceasefire Corporate Division. I joined Ceasefire this current year of Jan. I completed 9 months in Ceasefire as a management trainee. Last 6 months I done an average sales of 3.85 lakh, and I will make sure that I will achieve the benchmark which I have taken for 15 lakhs. So while joining the Ceasefire, since it's my first job, I am like Alice in the Wonderland. So I don't know how to speak to the customer, how to go to the field and work. So I've been fell down and done very mistakes in field. So but I have a full support from my manager. Whenever I've been done a mistake in field, they support and motivated me to do a best of me. Thereafter, the ceasefire culture, the ceasefire movement, which is unforgettable, me is giving demo and training to the other corporate clients. It is a big thing for me because giving the training and guidelines to the expertise who are all their experience is my equal to my age. So giving guidelines to them is a big thing for me. I planned for sales of 15 lakhs for next 6 months, in which my call average for a day will be 6, and my monthly FPG creation will be 7, and my client creation for the month will be 3, and my total sale for 2012 and 13 will be 18.5 lakh. The strategy which is I am going to use for doing this business is in Ceasefire, the only foundation for sales is creating more value prospect. If we generate prospect, the sales will automatically come. So my mission and vision will be concentrated on creating more value prospect, and I have planned to give a live demo of CQRS water mist, and I have also planned to work on Sri Bamboo such accounts, big clients. For me, Ceasefire is an overall culture which ensure my mutual growth and professional skills. So I will proud to be a part of Ceasefire, and I will hope and make wish that next year also I will stand here and do same business plan. I have achieved my planned business. Thank you. Jai Ho. I like to dedicate a song from Bombay Vikings album. So which lyrics like this. वो चली देखो प्यार की गली, कोई रोके ना उसे, वो चली ना 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 मेरी जान, देखो जाना ना वहाँ, कोई प्यार का लुटेरा लूटे ना मेरी जान, वो चली leaving all that is behind, only love's on her mind, वो चली. Thank you.